Hello everyone. Today we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Steam Link from Valve. Um, what this device actually does is it emulates what's on your desktop and allows you to use that on another TV in your house. So, say you want to play your favorite Steam games, you can plug this right in, and over Wi Fi, this will broadcast onto your TV. You could even plug in a mouse and keyboard, or if you have an Xbox controller or PlayStation 4 controller, plug that directly into the Steam Link and have it play on your desktop, but you can actually use it in your television. I'll show you what that's like. I'm not sure if I'll do that in this video. This video I may just leave it as an unboxing, but definitely in a follow-up video I will show you guys how that works. So you just take off the cover like that, and this flap opens, and we have our Steam Link device actually in here. So this is the first thing we see as soon as you open the box. It's got more weight than I anticipated. It does look like cheap plastic online, um, but it does feel quality way more than I expected. I've got this for $5 on the Steam sale, so I'm pretty happy. I mean, if it's not what I quite intended, I don't feel like I lost much. So here we can see our inputs and outputs. We've got HDMI for going into your television. We've got Ethernet cable. It's highly recommended that you guys, if you are going to get a Steam Link, that you use wired. Don't use the wireless built in to the Steam Link. Wired is definitely the way you want to go. Reduce that lag, reduce that latency. We've got two USB 2.0, or I'm not even sure if they're 2.0, but two USB ports on the back. We've also got our power AC input here, and we've got another USB input right here. We do got some of this lovely plastic, um, and very minimal branding, just the Valve logo there. Nothing on the bottom, but some rubberized to keep it steady. And let's take a look at what else we get in the box, because I was actually surprised when I opened this up and saw everything that came in the box. So we've got our quick start guide and a product guide, things that we probably don't care about. And here we have our box in a box. We'll take that out. And nothing else inside, we'll set that aside. So opening up this box here, first thing we're greeted with are our international plugs, which I think is awesome. It's probably a cost-saving measurement for them. Include all the plugs. You don't have to specialize what region you sell this in. It'll fit anyone, anywhere, anytime. Good for you, Valve. Opening this up here, we have our standard American power plug. If I can get this box out the way. Got our standard American power plug. And these things are in there pretty good. And you see this plug is quite heavy duty. It's fairly long. I would guess and say it's maybe 2 meters. Could be wrong about that, but it's a quite lengthy plug. They actually give an HDMI cable, which I think is awesome. This one looks to be 3 feet, don't quote, but if I had to roughly guess, I would think that would be the length that they'd go with. I mean, it's not your thickest HDMI cable, and it's not some of the braided stuff that are overpriced, but I'm pretty sure for what they intended it'll do. And they actually give an Ethernet cable, which is awesome. I will be using my own because I know exactly where I want this and I know exactly how I want to set it up. But it is great that they give, everything that you need to get this up and running right off the ground. And that's everything we have in here. So going back to what the Steam Link does, it basically puts your PC that you have running Steam in big picture mode, and it emulates that onto a television. Now there is a feature to exit big picture mode, big picture mode, allowing you to browse your desktop and surf the web on your television using your PC. I don't think it works that well with a controller, but if you are one of those people who have, keyboard and mouse that you can use, especially if you have like a wired one, you can use that from your couch and basically use your computer on your television, which I think is phenomenal. Now, You don't want to go playing CS:GO with this. You probably don't want to play any Forza or F1 type games with this. The reason I say that is because of the lag. There is going to be some lag. Anytime you're using something over the network, you're introducing some lag and latency. And considering that you're taking your desktop PC and emulating it somewhere else, you're not getting the full performance of your desktop PC. It's going to be limited to that network, and what this actual small, which I had to guess is probably something similar to a Raspberry Pi in here. You're limited to what it can actually process at the moment. But I think games like Shadow of Mordor, Assassin's Creed, the slower paced games that aren't really competitive, don't require trigger fingers and split second decision making, I think those games will work best with this. So I'm going to in a separate video, I'm going to show you guys how it looks when you set it up, what you should go through updating it, connecting it to your PC, and I will see you guys in the next one. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, say hello. If you didn't like it, go ahead and give that thumbs down. It's fine. Just ask, if you do thumbs down, tell me why, and maybe it's something that I can work on. And I will see you guys in a follow-up video. Have a good one, guys.